Building 2 at the Meridian Apartments in San Rafael. Ooh, that's a new panel. What the heck? Wow. Oh. Thought it died. Oh, very nice. Beautiful cab. This is lower than usual. It's their short model. Whoa.
I wonder if this used to have a brass COP.
Maybe.
There's a brass door.
Yeah, everything else is brass.